I got up early this morning to watch the sunrise on the rooftop, and it's cloudy so it's not that spectacular, but I also wanted to get up early so I could go walk around before people got out and about, so after I finish my breakfast, that's what we're gonna do. We have a dead end. Onward we go. I'll probably just end up descending to the center and finding my way back. But yeah, I don't know exactly where I am right now. I wouldn't say I'm lost yet though. But that is the goal, so we'll get there. Oh my gosh, there's another cat. 2 cats. And a view. With yet more stairs to go. A third has arrived. Oh. A fourth. Oh, hello. Hello. Look at this cat taking a bath. Oh, so cute. Oh. And this one. Hello. Hello. You gonna try to bite my hand again? The answer is yes. Well, I got kind of lost for a while, but then I found myself again by accident. I came down and then I was like, wait, that shop door looks familiar. And it was the tortilleria that I went to this morning after I had the quesadilla with Vicky, who's living in my Airbnb house. Yeah, so I found myself again. I guess I'm gonna go and just walk around some more. While I was exploring, my SD card filled up, so I didn't have space to record anything else. So I just ended up finding a plaza and sitting down and thinking for a bit, and then going and buying some avocados at the market and coming back here, and then I had my snacks for lunch and chilled for a while, applied for a job low-key, and found out my job in Austin no longer exists, so that's exciting. Yeah. I also took a nap, and now I'm gonna go cook some food. I have concocted this idea of a thing in my mind that's kind of like, okay, well, you'll just see. I'm gonna start by roasting some chilies. Poblanos, I believe. Okay, this one's done, so in the bag it goes to steam. Time to see if these peppers are ready. Here are my mostly roasted and peeled peppers. Frying some vegetables up. So, the sauce cooked for like an hour and a half, I think, and I then fried some vegetables, eggplant and zucchini, and put the sauce over them, and I've got tortillas, and I'm just making tacos. The sauce was inspired by a couple of different things. The achiote paste I put in is from cochin de pibil that Adriana's mom made for us, and then the roasting of the poblano peppers, Connie, Adriana's grandmother, also roasted poblano peppers while I was there. And when I was in Guatemala, my host generally made a dish with eggplant and this really flavorful tomato sauce and rice and green beans. So like, this is kind of a mashup of all three of those things, and it's very satisfying. I like it a lot. I had one piece already because I was starving. I'm gonna keep eating now. So it's like 9:45 almost at night, and it's raining really hard. It's really cool though. Yeah, just a thunderstorm. Okay, so tomorrow evening I leave Guanajuato to head to San Luis Potosí, and for the rest of my time here, I don't think I'm going to film anything. I just want to chill and enjoy the place and not have to worry about recording anything. So, this is going to be the end of the Guanajuato video. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Peace and goodbye. Goodbye for real.